Hello guys, in my earlier video many have asked me to talk in Hindi, but I don't know guys, I feel much more comfortable in English. But I can guarantee you this is a Hindi version of this video coming soon. So let's not waste time and get started. In this video I am going to talk about a recent long trip we have made on our Tiago, the experience, facts and performance derived out of the vehicle, and also about some of the questions users have asked me on my earlier video. The trip was to visit places near Rajahmundry. Rajahmundry is approximately 400 kilometers from my place, and my total trip was for around 400 kilometers, that is from my home to my home again in 4 days. So before getting into the facts, I wish to recommend you guys to do the following things before you leave for a long trip. Carry as much water as you can guys, believe me, that's the only thing you need in most cases. Check the lights, tire pressure as well as fluid levels in your car. And don't forget to fill the fuel to the brim of your car. Getting into the details, on first day our first destination was around 345 kilometers. We started after tiffin and only stopped for lunch, and it took around 9 hours to reach because out of 345 kilometers, National Highway was only for 100 kilometers. Thereafter, we completed our journey by traveling 42 kilometers more for that day. The second, third, and fourth day were also all quite the same. The car was only getting rest during lunch, tiffin, dinner, or whenever we reach a tourist destination, and during the time we visit some tourist destination, and was driven all day as I said. Getting on to the mileage aspect, the car is very mileage sensitive guys. If you push the car, the mileage drops. The AC of our car was almost on for the whole of our journey, and for the first day the mileage was around 18 kilometers. I used eco mode only while cruising on four-way lines. There was this irrigation project dam site we have visited, where the car was really put to the test. The mileage figures of the car had dropped significantly and the road was pretty rough, though the Tiago tackled it with ease. So, after reaching home, I have checked the overall mileage for the trip has been 17.2 kilometers for 1262 kilometers travel, and the overall mileage from the purchase of my car has been 17.7 kilometers for 3734 kilometers as per my MID. I should also say that I drive a little heavy on the accelerator but shift early. But if you drive calmly, the mileage figures will definitely improve. Moreover, I am sure that my car's mileage will definitely improve after engine oil change is done in my second servicing. And using eco mode when the road stresses the engine is really not recommended. I have also checked the fluid levels after my arrival. There's no significant decrease in them, though. Through the whole journey, the temperature gauge never showed more than 3 points. Some of my viewers have also asked for the engine sound, so here's that. Though I can't
show you how engine noise sounds. You can take an idea from this. Thank you guys.